A very good afternoon to all my dear students. So, again, we are here, part third of this topic, that is factors affecting institutional buying decision. We have covered environmental factors, we had covered organizational factors. Now, today, we are going to discuss about the interpersonal factors. Okay, interpersonal factors. What are interpersonal factors? Means different people, how they are reacting with their purchases, how they are taking the decisions, how they are influencing one on another. So we are just need to understand interpersonal factors, and it comprises of three things: authority, interest, and status. According to these three bases, they are being classified, they are being affected. Okay, so different people are involved in the organizational buying process. They affect the buying process as the different persons are involved in buying process. An interpersonal factor includes authority, interest, and status. So the first one is the authority. How much the power is having with the person. According to that, they are going to purchase a particular product. Okay, according to that, they are maintaining their style, they are using that authority in the organization. It also affects the buying process, and because of the authority, it is very much easier for them to buy a product. They are very much quick decision making to purchase for a product, or due to authority they can be slow, that because they feel that they are having that much power that they can buy when the product is not in the stock. Okay, because of the powers they are having, people will going to save a little stock for them also. So it affected by authority. The staffs of the organization have different authority. Due to style and process of using authority by the staff involved in the organization, it affects the buying process and makes easy, quick, or slow and complicated. Second one is interest. With interest of the people, they are going to making the purchase. They are going to take the buying decision. If they are being affected by the quality or the consistency of the supply, they are going to buy that very product. So interest matters, whether they are going to purchase the high price product, or whether they are going to purchase a low price product with a greater quality. So it based on interest, it varies person to person. There are difference between the interest of the people involved in the organizational buying process. The production manager may be interested in quality and consistency of the supply of the production input, while the finance manager may be interested in lower price. Okay. Next is the status. Just to show off their status, just to build their repo in the environment, they need to buy as per their status demands. Okay, the buying group may be represented by personnel working at different levels of organizational hierarchy. They need to show their status as per the levels they are residing. The person who gives order and the person who purchases goods may not be same in the organization, but obviously the person who gives order have the different status, and the person who purchase goods have the different status. Due to this, the selection of goods and services can be affected. So that's all for today. We're going to discuss the last part of this topic, that is personal factors, that we're going to discuss tomorrow. That's all for today, and please kindly submit your assignments, okay, because few students have submitted the assignments. That's all. Thank you.